Welcome to the Baseface Network.
The earliest records of accounting were found over 400 years ago among the rulers of ancient Mesopotamia. Historical accounting records has been found in ancient civilizations like Egypt and China. Back in 2500 BC, rulers would keep accounting records for taxing and spending on public works. Nations made an alphabet with accounting so they were not cheated through trades with ancient Egyptians. Egyptians invented the first bead and wire abacus. They carried on with accounting records, assigned to double-check storehouses as to what came in and out the store. The need to keep accounting records spread across many of the Italian Republic in 13th century. First time that businesses were required to keep accounting records. Pacioli, aka the father of accounting, writes his famous paper, Everything About Arithmetic, Geometry, and Proportion. Pacioli created accounting terms debit and credit. Merchants were able to keep records so that they would improve the efficiency of their business using the early double entry accounting system. India Company developed invested capital and dividend distribution during the 17th century. This also created the need for a change.
During the Industrial Revolution, accounting really took off as industrial companies sought out to gain financing and maintain efficiency through operations. The first accounting organization was developed in New York in 1887. The first income tax law in the Philippines was enacted. The Board of Accountancy was created by Republic Act No. 3105 in 1923 in the Philippines. It was meant to reduce fraud and scandals in businesses, similar to what was happening in the United States during the 1920s. The accountancy law in the Philippines revised in 1967 under Republic Act No. 5166, standardized accounting education and regulated the practice of accountancy. This law also established an examination process for registration. This law was passed in response to the globalization of business and the need for harmonization of accounting practices worldwide. The International Accounting Standards Committee is a private sector body founded by professional accountancy bodies from Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Japan, Mexico, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the USA. Located in London, United Kingdom, its goal is to promote uniformity in accounting principles used for financial reporting globally. Its pronouncements are referred to as International Accounting Standards.
1975. In the Philippines, the accountancy law was revised and passed under Presidential Decree No. 692, replaced the Accountancy Act 1967. The Financial Reporting Standards Council is the successor of the Accounting Standards Council, which was created in 1981 by Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants or PECPA to establish generally accepted accounting principles in the Philippines. The majority, if not all, of the Statement of Financial Accounting Standards used in the Philippines up to 1996 were based on American accounting standards. 1997, the Philippines began the process of converting from using American accounting standards to using international accounting standards. 2001, the IASB, which took over for the IASC, was established. Despite moving forward, all standards were given the International Financial Reporting Standards designation. It has continued to follow the body of standards produced by the IASC. 2002. Beginning in 2005, the European Union or EU mandated that all EU-listed enterprises implement IFRS. 2004. A Council for Financial Reporting Standards was established in the Philippines by the PRC, PAS, and PIFRS, which complemented IAS and IFRS were created to assess the Board of Accountancy, or BOA, in carrying out its powers and functions under Public Act Number 9298, the Philippine Accountancy Act of 2004. This replaced the ASC. The revised accountancy law, officially known as Republic Act Number 9298, was also passed and adopted this year. It regulates the practice of accounting in the Philippines by repealing Presidential Decree Number 692 for the purpose of doing so. 2005 to present, the Philippines became fully compliant with IFRS.